Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to move your YouTube channel to another account on your PC. Step 1. Open YouTube by launching the app or visiting the website. Step 2. Locate your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. In the left-hand menu, click on Advanced Settings. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the Move Channel option and click on it. Moving your YouTube channel to another account can be a convenient way to consolidate your content or transfer ownership. This process ensures that all your videos, subscribers, and settings are seamlessly transferred to the new account. Please note that this action is irreversible, so make sure to carefully consider your decision before proceeding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest YouTube tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.